40 in the morning. High 27, humidex 33, UV index 9 or very high. For Wednesday night, partly cloudy, 40% chance. Thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 10:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Mount Forest, Arthur, northern Wellington County, and Kitchener, Cambridge, region of Waterloo. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Listowel, Milverton, northern Perth County. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for Orangeville, Grand Valley, southern Dufferin County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Listowel, Milverton, northern Perth County, Waterloo, Wellington, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, southern Dufferin County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Dunnville, Caledonia, Haldimand, Oxford, Brant, and Stratford, Mitchell, southern Perth County.
Environnement Canada a émis un avertissement de grains pour lac Ontario-Ouest à 21h31, heure avancée de l'Est, le mardi 2 juin 2020. Environnement Canada a maintenu 20 degrés pour la...
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 10:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for Orangeville, Grand Valley, southern Dufferin County. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Listowel, Milverton, northern Perth County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Listowel, Milverton, northern Perth County, Waterloo, Wellington, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, southern Dufferin County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Dunnville, Caledonia, Haldimand, Oxford, Brant, and Stratford, Mitchell, southern Perth County.